I drove off. About 30 seconds later, it ripped off. Oh, we heard a weird noise coming from the turbo. We ended up just going back to the shop. Guys, I'm going home already. I literally just ran out of gas. You can see it starts for a second. Oh man. Did you guys miss seeing this in the vlogs? What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Starting this video off at the 85 station. Have not driven this car. I want to see it in over a month. Ignore my tomei, it's hanging super low. But we're on the way to go fix this car finally. I'm gonna be heading to my tuner's house, pick him up, going to the shop, making a drain box for the turbo, fixing that horrible exhaust fitment, and probably plugging in the computer to it. Maybe tweaking it a little bit. I had to go inside, so I put 40, and I knew it was not gonna fill up. That's good. $32 full tank. Can't complain about that, buddy.
Few inches later.
Guys, I cannot make this up. I heard a noise, I pulled over. I thought my lip was about to come off. Everything was good. I drove off. About 30 seconds later, it ripped off. I ran it over. I ended up turning around. I stopped the whole freeway. I picked it up. And yeah. Alright guys, now that my anger cooled down a little bit. So I was driving, I heard a noise, I pulled over, I thought right away, I was like, the lip is about to come off. So I took on the lip, it was good. 30 seconds into driving, I hit a little bump, and that noise got super loud. So I started looking around, and I know where I look in my rearview mirror, and boom, there goes my lip. So I was like, no way. And I was contemplating, do I turn around, do I pick it up, do I just leave it and forget about it? And I was like, something told me just pretty much to turn around and go get it. So I turned around. I was actually in the fast lane, so like I got in the fast lane right away. I put my emergency lights. Once I found it, I slowed down. Obviously, I stopped and I grabbed it. And I mean, besides the obvious scratches, looks like there's a hole over here somewhere. I haven't really looked at it because the only time I looked at it was when I picked it up from the freeway, and I was like not trying to create traffic. So right now, when we get to the homie's house, I'll bring it down and I'll take a look at it and show you guys. I know there is a hole in the middle though, so this lip is done. What are you laughing at? What are you looking at?
Hey, where's your lip, bro?
Right here.
Oh, that sucks.
Now you got as much lip as your car does.
Hey,
What?
and you got here, what did I say? Like 2:30, right? What time is it?
Chris. Yeah, I am late. But at this time, it wasn't my fault.
You made an excuse.
It wasn't my fault.
This bumper or lip off just to be late on purpose.
I did that shit on purpose. I hit a dip. Where did I park at, bro?
Let me see.
Hey, look, this is the first time the Z and the Nismo meets, bro.
What's up?
They have never seen each other, yeah.
No wonder this car's fucking up. You're already giving it its bad luck.
Where'd I park at?
Just kidding. I love you.
Son?
Nice. Oh my gosh. Actually, from here you can't really tell.
There you go.
Looks ugly, bro. But just take off the lip really quick and just see the damage. Yeah, bro. Look at this, bro. They're like, oh wait. Wait a second. Wait a second. I think it just folded in. Wait, is it still savable? No way. I think it's still good. Bro, it's still good. No way. It is still good. Just a scratch. Bro, it's just this. The hole is right here, like in a little dip. It's not a problem. I mean, it is a problem, but it's not that bad of. Hey, dude, no way. Sick ass, dude. It's not that bad after all. So this is actually my first time actually seeing David's car up close. Your door handle doesn't work either?
Yes, it does.
Never mind. Sorry. He has a short shifter. Oh my god, bro. Hey, this is sick, bro. This is what people with no driver mod needs, or what?
You haven't got me yet.
I don't think Jay can get this car.
I don't think so either.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, fast forward I don't know how many hours. We finally made it to the shop. We ended up waiting at the homie's house. Just meanwhile the meanwhile the traffic cooled down. Made it to the shop. Finally. What? I'm talking to them, bro. I'm not talking to you.
Hey, go give me some chips, yeah? Thanks. Please.
What do I look like, bro?
My bit.
Hey,
look.
grab the stick. That shit fell last time.
You got it.
Hold the stick.
Oh, hold it?
Just hold it. What? Imagine I should have laid you out, dude.
Bro, it'll probably kill me.
Nah, you'll probably fucking make a hole in that shit. Like, have you seen the movie Madagascar?
There? Alright guys, meanwhile, Adrian starts on the car. I'm gonna grab some In-N-Out. I have not ate all day, bro. I'm starving. And I'm on a diet. But, I mean, In-N-Out isn't too bad, I guess. So, shout out to David for letting me borrow his truck. Then we'll grab some In-N-Out. Of course. No gas, like last time. Sick ass dude. I hope I don't get stranded. Sick ass Mustang in the wild. Whoa. Got a Subi behind it. Sick ass dude. You got the In-N-Out. Back at the shop. Now let's go eat. I'm starving, bro. Bro, tell me why I'm walking over here on this side of the shop. I see this IS300. Who drew that, bro?
What is that? I don't know what it is, honestly.
Adrian, did you draw that? Did you draw that? That?
Oh, that's something sucks?
No, this.
What is that?
I didn't draw it either.
Did you see this?
I don't know what it is.
Oh, I saw that. It's a vagina.
You guys know whenever I come to the shop, I have to come and show you guys the homie Panda Z. He actually came and swapped his wheels, so these are the wheels that were on his 350z Nismo. Put the stocks over here and took the RPF ones. Should I steal them? The drain box is all done. Look at those welds.
Yeah, kind of fucked up, but whatever. Whatever, it'll hold.
It'll work. Alright guys, fast forward a couple of hours. They're now gonna straight to this thing
60 to 130.
and get some 60 to 130 times. Honestly, I don't like doing 60 to 130 because this car is hard.
Slow.
No, because I either oh damn, that's a cop right there. Nice.
You gotta make a left, dude.
I honestly don't really like doing 60 to 130 just because I either gotta be in second brake boosting, and shifting to third low-key kind of kills your time a little bit. And in third, even if I brake boost hard, I don't think I could take off in third pretty strong. So it's the only thing with the rear mount, but I'm still down to test it out. So we ended up doing the pulls. After the second pull, we heard a weird noise coming from the turbo. We ended up just going back to the shop. Man, I was tired. I'm trying to go home already. We're all trying to go home, but this car is trying to act up. So the turbo is fried. I don't know how. He doesn't know how. I think it was just the person that rebuilt it. Damn, son. So it looks like I'm gonna drive this thing in A for the night. We're gonna take out the turbo. We're gonna cover it up. Drive this thing in A.
Tired.
Damn, what the
Wait,
fuck?
it's
bro?
blown?
Yes, sir.
Wanted to live
First-
that car life.
Yeah, straight up. For all you people that want to get into cars, I should have at least recorded the pulls, bro. The car felt really, really good. It felt fast.
Oh, with the timing?
Yeah, it felt good. Out of nowhere.
Mid-range timing and shit. It actually felt pretty nice.
It felt, and it was using 90% fuel, buddy. It was
That's a lot of
moving.
gas, dude. That is actually a lot of gas.
It felt really good, guys. I did the second pull, and I literally had my GoPro on, but it was just like a heat of the moment type of thing. I wasn't wearing it because we were just like testing out the tune really quick, like short little passes. I go to start like trying to do the 60 to 130, and I hear a noise. My tuner didn't hear it, and then I was like, bro, like I know I hear a noise. I wanted to boost a little bit, and yeah, that's when we both heard it good, and we ended up just turning around. And now I'm gonna have to drive home in A. I haven't been in A for like 2 years.
I just want to go home.
Me too. I think we all want to go home.
I don't want to go home, man.
Give me some cheeks.
Cheeseburgers?
Some cheese,
cheeks, baby.
some cheeks burgers. Turbo's out. What the heck? Wasn't it making noise? That was not making the noise.
What the fuck? It sounded like it was touching right here. Yeah, it's barely touching, which no big deal, but what the fuck? Unless this housing is not. Let's see, what is this housing?
We take off the turbo.
Stupid now.
I know, I made a whole post. I'm over here crying, depressed. We take off the turbo. Dude, I literally felt it with my own hands. It's like a miracle.
halftime.
What if it was like a miracle, bro?
halftime.
What?
We take off the turbo.
Yeah, who's this?
The turbo off, bro.
Watch your mouth, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Watch your.
Oh, shit. My bad.
Okay, Jay, now you put this motherfucker back on, bro. And we
5%.
definitely doing a 60 to 130. For
It
sure.
looks like the video is gonna continue.
I don't give a damn if you're gonna be late.
This shit gonna be bloody.
I ain't going to the gym no more.
She gonna be mad.
I ain't going to the gym no more. I'm happy. Why are you driving my car without my permission, bro?
Leave it idling. I want to see if it leaks.
Leave it idling. Do as you're told. Alright guys, it seems like we're good. Adrian still wants to do the 60 to 130 though, so I guess that's what we're doing. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna hit, to be honest. Like I said, draggies, for some reason I just don't like them with this car, just because of the whole like rear mount laggy turbo situation. If I brake boost in second, I have to shift, and even though I shift pretty fast, I would like to say, it still takes a little bit of time. And if I do it in third, I can't brake boost it hard enough. Exact spot, but on the other side of the freeway is where I lost my lip earlier. Like, probably like right there somewhere. It's been a crazy day, but I'm glad that we were able to fix the car. Shout out to my boy Adrian, my boy David for staying so late. It's probably, right now it's more like 2 in the morning. Building cars is really stressful at times, guys. I really thought my turbo blew. I even posted a story. I'll probably just leave it up at this point, but saying about building cars isn't for everybody, bro. This shit really puts a toll on you sometimes. Because, like, don't get me wrong, I know a lot of people think I'm like rich or something. I've gotten that so many times. You're rich, but bro, I'm not rich. All these things I do to the cars cost a lot of money, and when you throw money at them and stuff goes wrong, like almost immediately, like with the lip, I painted the lip, I ran it over. The turbo, I rebuilt it. So when you throw so much money at something and it ends up failing like kind of fast, I'm not gonna lie, it does hurt, bro. It gets you a little sad, you know what I mean? So like, building cars, like I said, just takes a toll on you sometimes. But thank God, we're almost home, and we were able to drive this car. Because I was actually gonna leave it at the shop and have to Uber home, but I'm full sending it.
The next day.
Hello, good morning. We are back at the shop after a long night at the shop. Now we're back early in the morning. My boy Adrian just pulled up and he sounded like a truck over there. So we're gonna fix the drain box. It was having a little bit of issue last night. We're gonna take it off, fix it. Yeah. Why are you in the car? Cause you told me to stay in the car.
Huh?
I don't know.
Why? Just leave it. No one's coming back.
Guys, I'm going home already. I literally just ran out of gas. The E station is there. I could almost see it. I can't believe I ran out of gas. I've never ran out of gas in any of my cars in any of my point in my life. Damn. Adrian for the bro, he has an appointment to go to, and he still brought me gas.
You gotta go, you
Thank you,
fucking
bro.
little rat.
Thank you.
You
know how
would
much I
be recording it.
I know. Haven't picked up the camera at all. I've just been trying to figure this out. I walked to the gas station that's like a mile away. I got more gas, put more gas in it, and now it actually wants to start. It's weird. I'll show you guys. Watch. You can see it starts for a second. Even if I add gas, it doesn't do anything. Man, I'm starting to think. I thought it was a fuel pump, but when you prime it, you can feel it. It vibrates. So I think the pump just fell out of the little like basket that it's in. This happened to me already, but not to this extent where the car doesn't turn on. I don't know, man. It's been a rough 2 days, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a rough 2 days. Now I'm just waiting on my pops coming with the tow truck. And yeah, let's see what time I get home, bro. I haven't even ate.
2,000 years later.
Tow truck is here, guys. Oh man. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go back home. Back home. It's time to offload this thing. Ah man. Made it home, thank God. Today and yesterday have been two honestly complete shit show days, bro. But I'm grateful that it's nothing serious, I hope. And we made it home safely. That's what matters. Let's go inside, bro. I'm going to sleep for the rest of the day and the next day.